Hey guys, it's Theresa Morrison with Celebrations, and I wanted to show you my beautiful Cricut mats. I washed them. They look like they're brand new almost. Very clean. And I use this awesome cleaner. I have watched online and heard some comments about how you could clean them. And so I used this that I got at the dollar store. And it's a big bottle. It's 64 ounces. I think it was $2 or $3. And then I also use this little scrubber. This scrubber is from the Grove. It's a walnut shell scrubber. So it's got a scrubbiness to it, but it's real soft when it's wet. So it doesn't scratch. And so I just soak them in hot water, put on the awesome spray, and I let them air dry. And now they are just like brand new. They're sticky, not overly sticky, but sticky enough to hold down vinyl. This one's pretty sticky. And again, that's just an easy way to clean your mats. And it works. So just wanted to share that with you. Again, it's the awesome spray. Again, I got it at the dollar store. And like I said, this is a bigger bottle, so I think they have a spray bottle as well. But I had a spray bottle, so I just bought the big one and I just refill it. So anyway, if you have any questions, let me know.